Hey guys, welcome back. Today, as you can see, I've already done my nails, and that is because I want to focus more on the nail art. And for today, I decided to try some designer nails. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna apply a base color, which in this case is going to be gray. Once I have all of my nails painted and cured, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them off. After that, I can start working on the design, and to do this I'm gonna be using this thin nail art brush. I decided to add some white to the pinky so it's not going to look so plain. And as you can see, I'm just trying to create this kind of triangle shape with the white. To show you guys the struggle and the fact that I'm not really good at freehanding stuff, I actually left it in real time, so you can see how long it takes me. Of course, it's a bit harder for me because I'm also trying to make sure that you guys can see everything. To make sure that it actually looks good, I just fixed it up a bit off camera. And after curing, I'm just adding a bit more white to make sure that it covers the gray. After cleanup, I'm ready to cure it, and to hide the imperfections, I actually decided to add some gold between the white and gray. I decided to make the line a bit thicker off camera, and this is how it looks. Now it's time to get to the hard part, which is the letters. And you might ask, why is this the hardest part? Well, for me it's the hardest because it's a lot of straight lines, which I'm not very good at freehanding. So as you guys can probably notice if you're looking really closely, I'm actually doing a lot of correcting of the shape off camera, and it's because right now I'm making sure that you guys can see what I'm drawing and I can't really see it that well, so it's just easier for me to get my hand up close to my face and then I can draw better. To wipe off any mistakes, I'm just using cotton pad with some alcohol. So as you guys can see very clearly now, I decided to go with the Louis Vuitton nails. Well, it's not that bad, but it's not great either. And I did the same thing for the pointer finger. But then I actually decided to try to recreate those flowery looking symbols. So after creating this little dot that's in the middle, I just decided to roughly draw the shape, which I'm gonna then correct off camera because these symbols are really hard for me to draw. Then I can start creating the circle around it and fill it in. And this is how it looks after curing. The second symbol I did fully off camera because I couldn't see what I was doing. I decided to add some white also to the middle finger, but this time it's just going to be straight thick line. After curing, just like with the pinky, I added some gold to hide the imperfections. And this time I also made the lines thicker off camera. This nail was looking kinda empty, so I decided to add some gold crystals to it using builder gel as the glue. That's how it looks, and now it's time for some top coat. And with this I decided to go with the matte top coat. And I'm really happy about it because I love the way they look in matte. Now all that's left is to add some cuticle oil. And as you guys know, I'm gonna wrap this in. That is the final product, guys. I actually think it's not that bad, but as I said before, it's not this great either. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time, bye!